Well, I'm gonna go and see how close I can get to those rapids. Last time I tried to go up there, the army was in the way and I wasn't really able to get around. So, let's see what we can do this time. The things I do for YouTube. I would say that the water level is high. Well, I'm not getting down that path. Haven't been back here in about a year. If you check the journey video, I'll leave a link in the corner there so you can see. I'm gonna see if I can even get through here. I don't know because of the water levels. If you're wondering why there's actually so many trees down, it's because there was a tornado that came through here a couple of years back and just wrecked the place. Well, I'm not getting down this path. That is not passable. At least not with tennis shoes. Well, this path is not passable. I'm gonna have to go around. Not getting down there. This tree looks like it was actually knocked down in last year's tornado. It's hard to say for sure, but it does. Ooh, there's a cardinal. It's too far away. Too many trees. Otherwise I'd show you. Luckily, I'm on foot. Well, there's still a lot of sandbags, that's for sure. Way more than the last time I was here. Well, I'm not gonna go down that road. That's where I was going. We're gonna have to find a different way because I don't think I'm getting past that security car. So yeah. This way appears to be passable. We'll see what happens. It's beautiful back here. You can hear the water though. And here we are at the sandbag wall made by the military. Alright, let's go down the dark path a bit. Well, I've just come out to a big puddle and caution signs facing towards me. I'm going to have to backtrack a little. I think this is technically a path. There is a mud lake off in the background there. I found a bridge. There we go. This is where I was trying to get to the whole time. Pretty sure I have to go down a ways to be able to see the rapids, but I can start to see them through the trees here. So we're gonna go upstream a little bit more here. Wow, that's quite something. That is some really high water. Wonder what it was like a couple of weeks ago when it was even crazier. But it was too dangerous to come down here then. We've got flowers growing. This is about as close as I can get on this side. That's crazy. I wonder what it would look like without the water. Those are some strong trees. That's incredible. Well, I succeeded in what I wanted to do. Here we are. That was amazing. We're going to be back here for sure. We're definitely going to be back here. There's so much opportunity for good bird pictures. But it's been nice talk. I'm going to drop my phone if I'm not careful here. Anyways, I'm going to put it away. I'll see you all later. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like if that's the thing you like to do, and I will see you all again soon. Cheers. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh man, why didn't I bring my boots? I made it though. More mud.